garage may be completely different the next time you guys see a video from the channel. It's possible. One of the big things that my wife has decided, you guys will probably either love it or you might hate it. Hopefully. What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to another video. Dusty Mac's Garage. You already know 240Z's behind us. If you hadn't checked out the last video on it, make sure you go back and watch that. We got some stuff assembled. We found some more damage, but I had to call a timeout. We went and did some family stuff yesterday, but the shop, I don't know if you can see it. There's junk everywhere. My scrap metal pile has just become, I mean, just a huge pile. All the rust that we cut off the Datsun, we've been saving over here in a pile just to kind of give a look. Just to give a look at what all we've cut out and replaced on this thing. I've been saving it over here. Been saving it over here in the corner. It's time for this stuff to go. What I'm getting at is I got to call a timeout. I got front and rear subframes in the floor. I've been hanging on to some old bolts and nuts and just what have you over here in the corner. Because at some point I want to do some abstract art type welding stuff to sell. Anyways, so it's just everywhere I look in the garage, I got stuff. And I can't work with the stuff around. But I want to keep this video kind of short. I mean, stuff, tapping die sets out. This stuff's out. Junk in the corner. Got a welding cart in the corner. I got the failed attempt at the first version of the DIY rotisserie. I got a bag of tools in the floor. My other workbench over here. Between the camper projects, between my son's room project, and between all the projects in here, I got to call a timeout. I got more scrap metal underneath the table. I got cases down here. Just got to call a timeout. Timeout. I can't work when I feel like everything's not organized. And despite the basic gist of the shop is it's kind of clean, I'm sure I've seen way worse garages, but despite there being spots of organization, I want to get it back organized, back clean, so I can have a fresh mindset. But the next video that comes out will be a big announcement. Let me set this down. A big announcement. Let me set this down. Concerning the build, concerning the Datsun. This isn't clickbait, but my wife's been undecided on some things. And the next video, we're gonna let you guys in on one of the big things that my wife has decided. You guys will probably either love it or you might hate it. Hopefully you dig it, but it's a big thing. I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys are. Again, it's not clickbait. Wanted to say what's up, let you guys know what's going on. And yeah, I hope you guys are excited and you'll be looking out for the video where we announce the build change per my wife. That's all I got. I wanted to touch in with you guys, say what's up, say hey. There's work still going on, but right now we got to, I'm hoping to get my wife and kids out here and just kind of blow through this, reorganize, move some stuff around. So the garage may be completely different the next time you guys see a video from the channel. It's possible. But as always, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. Hopefully we'll see you guys very, very soon. Dusty Mac signing out. I'm excited for the news that we're about to share with y'all. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
I want to see what it looks like up there now.